I think he's gonna go help Admiral and get that quant rock.
Uh, are we good?
Please close the hangar door.
It don't look good.
Yeah, it does not.
Why am I here?
Have you closed the hangar door?
Yeah, it's closing. Oh,
Who's shooting at this Idris?
oh boy.
It was an explosion.
Ah, for fuck's sake! Are we stuck in the ramp? I'm so confused.
Ship is
Ship's
dead.
despawning. All my shit is disappearing.
Party
Should be
is
good to
gone.
open the hangar. Please turn the ship off. PDCs are shooting me.
Done.
Yeah, stick it by the cargo thing.
Where the heck the thing? Fucking hell.
God. The right side of this cargo
Yeah,
lift.
that
There
could
should
go.
be. Alright,
Whoever's
guys.
still
Just...
alive here, when you get a chance, go back to one of the infirmaries and reset your spawn points. They went there first and erased them. This way you're respawning back at Orison.
I don't think you can erase them though.
You can.
You
Oh,
can
I'm
erase.
done.
Can you?
You can go onto the screens next to the beds and
Yep,
erase.
hold,
Ah,
hold,
shit.
hold backspace to die and revive at Empire Health Services Area 18.
Yeah, mine
Fuck's
says Orison.
sake. Slide for a bit then. Slide for a bit. This
I
is
mean,
fucked.
you can try to get me up, like Roxanne.
I can't see anyone though, because I'm blacking in and out.
Do you want as well?
One of which has been staring and watching the shuttle and
Ah,
coming
no.
in for 'em. And yeah, it's the only heads I saw turned up.
One
Yeah,
dead.
it seems that way.
Bullets flying over my head. So.
Oh, I'm down. And
Yeah, I'm being shot at from somewhere.
I killed 2 of them.
Don't know where. Because otherwise they would have wiped mine already. Because they're in the infirmary where I
They
set my
got
spawn. Oh, by the way, Soviet, I lost the 2 supervisor cards.
Well, it is what it is.
I mean, it's not like that hard to get, but
No.
it's just an annoyance.
and I'm dead now.
What the fuck?
I just got sniped. Yeah, I'm in cap. The fuck?
Stay there.
Nah, he's 40
got him.
seconds. Okay, nice. He was about to finish me off. I'm like behind the elevator thing.
Yeah, I see you. I'm just fighting with the
30
fucking med
seconds.
gun.
He ga- Bro hit me like twice. Oh,
Fuck me. He's actually quite decent at sniping, but I see someone moving a
The entire
corpse.
ground's shaking because there's worms spawning all over the place. I don't know where he is.
Yeah, he's down.
2 on the side of the freight elevator and outlet down.
You can just bring him to the one I'm at. Try to keep you covered.
One down.
Nice.
Second one
There's
is
another
about
one
to
out.
be. Second one's down.
Yeah, there's a guy with black armor
They're
there too.
complete trash. My family would probably fucking disown me if I played like that. There's someone behind me somewhere.
Oh yeah, he's right. He's in front of me. Turn around.
Oh,
Can he die? He's dead.
oh, what the fuck?
Wait, where even is the worm? I'm actually starting to think.
One dude is very close to the Idris. I saw a silhouette. Fucking idea what's happening. And another dude's dead.
This must be a new group then.
Yeah, I see people walking around as well. Take care.
That dude absolutely shredded me. What the fuck?
What was
They're
again?
still here.
Either a Valk or a fucking Asgard.
Maybe I can sneak up on him. Let's see.
It's me.
One dead.
Marker disappeared. Oh, what the fuck? We're already in air.
Killed another one.
I'm on the shuttle. And so is Mesa.
Nice.
I see people.
Well, at least I got my 15
One dead.
P8 ammo back.
I'm in cap. It's 2 dead in the shuttle.
Which,
Yeah,
Full
running
dead,
back
yeah?
towards you.
No, not full dead, no.
Are you full dead?
No, I'm still up. Or I'm just in cap and I'm...
Why are you both on the shuttle going away?
yeah, bye guys.
Because there was like 6 people
Massive
here.
fight.
Ah, I'm down.
They're nading something.
I am too.
Spawning back in.
That's probably not good, is it?
Yep.
One dead.
Nah, that's disgusting. I see you fucking spawn camping me.
Well, Maze died.
A nasty peek.
Oh, there's an AI that just vanished. Oh no. Yeah. He's going into Quantum? That's a great missile lock, bro.
How the fuck is that missing?
Yeah, boy.
Oh, wait, did you kill me?
Yeah.
Can you fuck off? The fuck, bro? I hope you are.
Did you kill me?
I just got back for a piss and I seen you next to me, so I didn't know what was going on.
Wait, who killed me?
That
Maze.
was me.
For fuck's sake.
I killed him and I arrested him. He's my...
There's apparently a new type of Karenite coming in 4.2.1.
Is that like a element of Karen?
How many bullets do you take to kill?
Quite a lot,
Karenite right now
heavy armor.
is... Karenite is one of the main things you give Wicklow for shit.
Oh, shot. I can't hit nobody. You don't miss.
Why
There's a
would I?
timer
It's
on
like
this one.
clicking icons.
Yeah, well, I can't click on that easy.
Honestly,
Fucking walls are dog shit in this game.
Like, did that not hit you?
somebody open up this vent.
The timer's almost done, should be like
Okay, you go in
Oh,
there.
so bad.
2 minutes or something.
Alright, there's nothing up here.
How are you still alive?
I'm pretty sure that rifle is dog shit. Okay, I'm dead.
Just running towards me, trying to beat me down. I'm trying to make my way up. I find.